Full day, yeah. You mean night? Yeah. What the hell do I see in the distance? Meow. What a screwed. Yes. What was that? I think it's Longhorse. According to the legend or my book, technically, Longhorse is stronger than, I'm pretty sure that's Cartoon Cat. Yeah. We should probably go check out the body. Approval. Ooh, there's a gun. What gun is it? I'm pretty sure it's a railgun. That's a strong gun. Of course. Every railgun is strong. My command is to kill ya. Yeah, this gun is strong. Thank God the doctors gave us, new skin. Or else we would have been rotten flesh by now. Yep. Yes, Jeremy? I approve, Bob. But I don't really like the orange color. And by the way, what do you think the next series is going to be about? Do you know Lighthead and Siren Head? Yeah. Imagine if they fight. Yeah. Well, bye guys. See you in the next video.